Hey everyone! Google's Veo-3 has been making massive waves in the AI video world, generating incredibly realistic videos that had everyone talking. But here's the thing. It's expensive, closed source, and most creators can't even access it. But what if I told you there's a completely free open source tool that generates videos just like Veo-3? And creating professional quality talking avatars is as simple as uploading a photo and hitting generate. Today I'm going to tell you about Hunyuan Video Avatar by Tencent, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So what exactly is Hunyuan Video Avatar? Well, this tool can take any single image, whether it's a photo of a real person, an anime character, or even a 3D render, and bring it to life with incredibly realistic speech, lip sync, and body movements. But what sets it apart from the other avatar tools is the level of emotional control and natural motion you'll get. It just looks more realistic. Unlike other solutions that give you robotic, uncanny valley results, Hunyuan Video Avatar produces videos that look almost like they were filmed with a real camera. The lip sync accuracy is spot on, facial expressions feel natural, and even subtle details like blinking and head movements match the audio perfectly. Plus, just like Google's expensive Veo-3 model, it can handle multiple languages seamlessly. This tool is powered by what's called a multimodal diffusion transformer. Think of it as an AI system that can read both images and audio simultaneously, then create the perfect bridge between them. For me, emotion controllable aspect is the most impressive. The AI doesn't just move lips to match words, it actually interprets the emotional content of your audio and adjusts facial expressions accordingly. If your audio is energetic and excited, the avatar will show that energy. If it's somber and serious, the facial expressions will reflect that mood naturally. Let's walk through using the online version first because it's the easiest way to get started. Head over to Tencent's official demo page. I'll have the link in the description. The original interface is in Chinese language, so if you're using Chrome like me and having a difficulty with it, just right-click and select Translate to English. You have 3 options to choose from, via WeChat, QQ, and Mail. Let's go with Mail. Once you're signed up with your email, you'll see the interface. It looks super simple. There are 2 main options, text reading and upload audio. The text reading option uses built-in text-to-speech voices, which are decent by the way. But the standout feature here is that you can upload your own audio. Yes, you can record your own voice, use cloned voices, or even upload music for singing avatars. The tool accepts various audio formats, though officially it supports WAV files. I've tested it with MP3s and they work perfectly fine. Let me walk you through a real example. I'm uploading a photo of a professional-looking man and pairing it with an audio clip of a small speech. Here you can adjust the speech, and after clicking generate, the processing begins. Now here's something important. This isn't instant. The online version typically takes anywhere from 1 to 20 minutes depending on server load. I know that sounds like a long time, but trust me, the results are worth the wait. And here's the result.
Hey, you know sometimes we get so caught up in life's noise that we forget this simple, powerful truth. We're allowed to be happy right now. Not tomorrow, not when everything's perfect, but now.
Look at how natural the lip movements are. Notice how the AI detected the emphasis in the audio. The facial expressions and slight head movements match that emphasis perfectly. The hand gestures feel organic, not programmed. This level of detail is what separates Hunyuan Video Avatar from simpler talking head generators. Let's try something more challenging, a different language. I'm uploading a Chinese audio file with an image of a Chinese speaker. The processing time is similar, but watch how the tool handles the different phonetic patterns and cultural speaking style.
从前，为了探寻皮肤年轻的秘密，我们搜遍了整个大自然。向前走。
The lip sync remains incredibly accurate, and the facial expressions adapt to the tonal nature of the Chinese language. Now let's test emotional range. I'm using an audio clip of someone expressing sadness. I've paired this with an image of someone who appears to be crying.
I'm so tired of pretending I'm okay. I smile, I laugh, I say I'm fine, but inside it hurts more than I know how to explain.
The result is remarkably moving. The AI doesn't just sync the lips. It maintains the emotional weight of the scene, the subtle facial movements, the way the eyes convey emotion, even the slight tremor in the voice translating to facial expression. It all works together to create something genuinely compelling. The tool also handles singing remarkably well. Upload a music track and watch as your avatar not only lip syncs to the lyrics but also moves their body in rhythm with the music. I've seen examples where background elements like instruments or even fire effects move naturally with the performance.
Tell me the weight of all these years that smooth green band has seen.
If you're serious about avatar creation and want complete control without watermarks or usage restrictions, the local installation route opens up significantly more possibilities. You'll need a decent GPU, ideally 24 gigabytes of VRAM for smooth operation, though the developers have optimized it to work with as little as 10 gigabytes, thanks to recent updates. The local version gives you access to advanced features like frame count adjustment, inference step modification, and even LoRa integration for style customization. So where does this technology actually make a difference? Content creators can generate consistent avatars for series content without worrying about lighting, makeup, or scheduling. Educators can create engaging instructional materials where the same digital teacher delivers lessons with perfect consistency. Businesses can develop personalized customer communications that feel human but scale infinitely. The multilingual capabilities are particularly valuable for global content. Create the same presentation in English, Spanish, Chinese, and German using the same avatar but different voice tracks. The emotional consistency remains intact across languages. Let's be honest about the limitations. Processing times can be substantial, especially for the free online version. Complex backgrounds or group shots might show minor visual artifacts. The tool works best with clear, well-lit portrait images rather than busy scenes or unusual angles. Also, while the online version is completely free, it does include watermarks. I showed you earlier how to remove these using online tools, but for professional use, the local installation might be more appropriate. What excites me most about Hunyuan Video Avatar isn't just the technology. It's the democratization of high-quality video production. This tool puts professional-grade avatar creation into the hands of anyone with an internet connection. Ready to try it yourself? The online demo is completely free and requires no technical setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore more cutting-edge AI tools that are changing the creative landscape.